The Buteyko Breathing Method is well known for helping asthmatics reduce symptoms, especially coughing and wheezing, and also the need to rely on medication, both emergency medication and preventative medication. This video is the first video in a series introducing the 6 exercises that form the breathing method and letting you know how they work and how you can put them together to help yourself. My name's Adam Stanecki. This is Breathe with Adam. I talk about all things breathing, about how you can breathe better, to feel better, to perform better, and to just enjoy life more. If you are interested in more about breathing and better living, please consider subscribing to the channel, letting your friends know about it, and liking this video so the YouTube algorithm can share it wide and more people can get this information. Let's get into the video. The Buteyko method is largely about reducing the amount of air that's breathed in. So we reduce the breathing volume because most people with breathing dysfunction actually breathe too much. The first part of this method is learning how to breathe through the nose. Quite simply, what we need to do is close the mouth and open up the nasal airways to allow the air to come in. There are many reasons that it is important, if not essential, to breathe through the nose. However, we're not going to go into that today because that'll take us off on a tangent. The question for most people is, how do I breathe through my nose if it's blocked, congested, or I just don't feel like I can get enough air in? And thankfully, the Buteyko method has an answer. There is an exercise called the nose clearing technique, or the nose unblocking technique, depending on where you find your information. It is very simple. I'm going to show it to you right now. Now, if your nose is completely blocked at the moment, you will have to breathe through your mouth. However, if you can get some air in through your nose, then breathe in and out through your nose. On the next exhalation, pinch and hold your nose and close your lips. And then whilst you're holding your breath on the exhalation, just gently move your head, just creating a little bit of movement of your nasal cavity while you hold the breath until you feel a definite need to breathe. So hold your breath as long as you can, and then when you are finished, try to breathe in through the nose gently and see if that's cleared the airway. So it will look something like this. Now, sometimes that will work on the first round. However, often you will need to do multiple rounds. So rest for a minute, go back to your normal breathing, and then repeat. You may need to do it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. This is one of those exercises that works for most people most of the time. Sometimes it will not work. It's not a miracle cure, but you will be surprised at how often it helps. Once you've used this technique to clear your nose, you can then move on to the other techniques that are part of the Buteyko system, and I will cover those in the next series of videos. So please have a look for the playlist on my channel. It's called Breathe with Adam. If you've liked this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel or head over to the channel and find the other videos in this series to learn more about the exercises of the Buteyko method. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Breathe easy and be well.